case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1956 case that had far-reaching implications for how land rights are determined and compensated for, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit tackled a bitter dispute between the plaintiff, Russell, and the Texas Company. Beneath the surface was not just oil and gas, but decades of legal tension over the rights to these reserves, harking back to an 1864 act that governed railroad constructions across the nation. Russell was challenging the validity of mineral reservation and subsequent oil lease granted by Northern Pacific Railway Company, one of the titans of the pre-war railroad industry, to the Texas Company. Russell argued that these rights were wrongly reserved by the railroad company, which had been exploiting the oil and gas reserves on Section 23 of the disputed land since 1952. He sought financial redress for the Texas Company's continued use of the land surface and for the value of water taken from it. The original lawsuit saw Russell awarded a total of $3,837.60, which included costs relating to the revocable license for land use and compensation for the use of the land under mineral reservation. The decision was not without controversy, leading both parties to appeal. In the appeal, the court stood firmly behind the initial ruling. It held that the mineral reservations and the oil lease granted by Northern Pacific Railway, located on Section 23, were in fact lawful, and that Russell was acutely entitled to the sum awarded to him at trial. The court also laid out the principle about property compensation. It declared that landowners should be compensated based on the market value of their property if a mineral reservation or a similar claim affects it. However, the court did not pass judgment on claims of damages inflicted prior to the issuance of the license, leaving a lacuna in the dense and heated legal dispute. The case of Russell versus the Texas Company was groundbreaking and transformative, laying down important legal principles and untangling historic rights attached to the booming railroad industry. The outcome was not just about oil and gas, but about clarification and compensation for the use of land, a decision that echoed across the country.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class